We stepping into a real world beyond classrooms. Our first day of internship was filled with learning, exploration, and inspiration. We began with an interaction and orientation session led by CEO of Gunapati, Mr. Bhupesh Reddy, who gave us deep insight into how a purpose-driven business operates. We explored innovative process of banana fiber production, a sustainable alternative that not only reduces agricultural waste but also promotes eco-friendly products. One of the most fascinating aspects was solar drying, a simple yet powerful technique that harnesses renewable energy. What truly stood out was how this business creates rural employment, empowering farmers and supporting local communities. Later in the day, we visited a dairy farm owned by Mr. Rupesh, where we gained practical knowledge about how a dairy farm functions. From cattle care to milk production, every step requires careful planning and consistency. During our visit to brick industry, we got a hands-on understanding on how simple soil is transformed into strong building blocks. What made it even more interesting was exploring different types of bricks, like each playing unique role in modern and sustainable construction. As day one comes to an end, we walk away with valuable insights on sustainability, business, and innovation. This experience has set the tone for the days ahead.